Good morning, CMS. Today is Monday, October 5th, 2020. Let's stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, everybody. Today's menu, Monday's menu, choice A is spicy or regular chicken patty on a bun with lettuce and tomato, oven-baked fries, vegetable medley, and applesauce. Choice B is Bosco sticks with marinara. Now we move on to Tuesday's menu. Tuesday's menu is bacon cheeseburger with lettuce, tomato, and baked beans, vegetable juice, side salad, apple sauce cup, and fresh fruit. Choice B is pepperoni pizza. For breakfast on Tuesday, you have cold cereal, cheese stick, raisins, and milk. Picture Day is this upcoming Friday, October 9th. Students will be called up to the MC, which is the Media Center, by classrooms. On Mr. Madigan's blog, there is a link to the order form. So you're not going to get physical order forms. What you do is you go online to get those order forms. You can also pay online. That's actually the preferred way to pay. But you also may pay with a check or cash if you so choose. If paying with cash or check, complete the attached order form and place payment in a clearly marked envelope. Online students, Picture Day will be this Friday, October 9th, also for you. But it's going to be between the hours of 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. to have your picture taken. You will also be able to pick up your child's yearbook. That was purchased last year. Our online students will sign up for a time using the Sign Up Genius located on Mr. Madigan's blog. So, for those online students that are like, man, where is my yearbook? Well, let me tell you, you're going to get your yearbook on Picture Day. Now, with that being said, we are going to be moving to Shoutouts. So, for the 6th grade shoutout, it goes to Caitlin Yeagers. Caitlin Yeagers, congratulations. For the 7th grade shoutout, the 7th grade shoutout goes to Dixie Potter. Dixie Potter, congratulations. Today's 8th grade shoutout goes to Clay Combs. Congratulations. Now we move on to the teacher shoutout. The teacher shoutout goes to Mrs. Lance. Congratulations, Mrs. Lance. Now, we move on to the bulletin board. Oh my goodness, there's something other than October 9th CMS Picture Day on it. We now move into Socktober donation collection, which I talked about in previous episodes. So from the 12th to the 16th is Socktober. Now we move on to the quote of the day. A kind friend is the right kind of friend. With that being said, students, remember your Colt pride. Remember your Colt pride. Be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. All right, that is a wrap. Have a happy Monday out there. Be safe, be smart, make good decisions, and be blessed, Cloverleaf.